Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We are here to explore a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way we handle data and make business decisions, Microsoft's Power BI. In a world where data is new oil, tools like Power BI are the refineries that turn raw data into actionable insights. Today, I'll take you through why Power BI is a game changer in data analytics. And not so far ago, I finished online courses for Power BI Desktop, and here you can see my certificate. I've researched this field and I'd like to share my findings with you. The main questions that we would raise today and talk about are: what is Power BI? Why we would use Power BI? How Power BI works? Power BI key features, customers, learning resources, where and how to learn Power BI. Firstly, let's understand what Power BI is. It's a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Since Power BI launched, it has rapidly evolved, becoming one of the leading tools in the data analytics and business intelligence space. Power BI consists of several elements that all work together, starting with these three basics. A Windows desktop application called Power BI Desktop, an online software as a service called Power BI Service, and Power BI mobile apps for Windows, iOS, and Android devices. These three elements are designed to let users create, share, and consume business insights to serve the user in his role most effectively. So why Power BI? This slide displayed Gartner's Magic Quadrant, with Microsoft positioned as a leader in analytics and business intelligence platforms in 2023. This marks the 16th year Microsoft has achieved this status, underscoring its consistent performance and strategic vision. As a leader, Microsoft is recognized for its strong execution capabilities today and its well-aligned roadmap for the future, indicating both robust current offerings and a forward-looking approach. Their positioning in the quadrant is significant, as it comes from Gartner, a respected authority in technological research since 1979, lending weight to Microsoft's prominence in this field. This recognition, particularly for Power BI, is a testament to its powerful analytics capabilities and future potential in the business intelligence space. So let's look closer to the Power BI powers. It could connect, transform, and load millions of rows of data, access data from virtually anywhere, database tables, flat files, web cloud services, folders, and create fully automated workflows to extract, transform, and load data for analysis. Build relational models to blend data from multiple sources. Define complex calculations using data analysis expressions, DEX. Bring data to life with interactive reports and dashboards with best-in-class visualization tools. Develop a versatile in-demand skill set. Power BI is the industry leader in self-service BI, and the skills you'll get from learning Power BI will be highly transferable. Choosing Power BI means leveraging a tool that not only offers advanced analytics and real-time insights, but does so in user-friendly, cost-effective, and integrated manner. This makes Power BI an excellent choice for business and individuals aiming to enhance their data-driven decision-making capabilities. Now, let's look closer how Power BI works. interesting. Power BI desktop structure highlighting the two main components, the backend and the frontend. On the left, the Power BI backend is the Power Query editor. This is where data is imported, transformed, and prepared for analysis. It showcases a typical spreadsheet-like interface where data can be manipulated. On the right, the Power BI frontend, where we can see the results of the backend processing, a comprehensive visual report with graphs, metrics, and KPIs clearly displayed. This is where data comes to life in the form of interactive reports and dashboards, which are central to data storytelling and analytics in Power BI. These two aspects, data preparation in the Power Query Editor and data presentation in the report view, from the core structure of Power BI desktop, illustrating the workflow from raw data to actionable insights. So let's look closer to Power BI workflow. On the backend side, you can see Query Editor. We can connect and extract data using pre-built connectors, profile and Q&A the data to explore, clean, and prepare it for modeling and analysis. Transform and shape tables to add new features, modify values, group records, or sort and filter columns. Merge or append queries to join and combine them prior to loading to the frontend. Next 3 points will be frontend. On the Oops. Sorry. Whoa. On the front-end side, we can build data models by creating table relationships between primary and foreign keys on the model view. Add calculated measures and columns using data analysis expressions in the data view. Design reports to visualize the data and create interactive dynamic dashboards in the report view. And only then we can publish and share Power BI workbooks using Power BI service in the cloud. Now let's dive into the core features that make Power BI stand out. First is its incredible data visualization capabilities. With Power BI, you can turn any data into a visual masterpiece, making complex information easily understandable at a glance. Next is the data integration. Power BI allows you to bring together data from various sources, be it Excel, SQL databases, or cloud services, providing a unified view of your data. Another significant feature is its real-time analytics. In today's fast-paced business environment, having up-to-date information is crucial. Power BI enables real-time data processing, so you always make decisions based on the latest data. With AI features such as automated insights, natural language processing, and machine learning models, Power BI empowers even non-technical users to uncover hidden patterns, forecasts, making predictive analytics more accessible. So, who's the Power BI customers and what their stories? And you ready? Heathrow. Heathrow Airport is using Microsoft Power BI and Microsoft Azure to make travel less nervous-wracking for the airport's millions daily passengers. Heathrow used Azure to pull data out of the backend business system and push it to Power BI, which shows employees at a glance and in real time how airport passengers' traffic is changing, so they can able to keep passengers moving smoothly through the airport through stormy weather, canceled flights, and other disruptions. By using data to understand its business better than ever before, Heathrow is pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence and data analysis to give passengers the best airport experience in the world. Next is Uckernervo. Wow. Uckernervo now automates several written processes to save time on manual tasks. The enterprise resource planning system enables to concentrate on work rather than spending hours filling in data on Excel files. By relying on Power BI, they can also find any historical data in a minute and generate reports. There is no need to analyze diverse information in different formats. They get everything in one place according to uniform standards with guarantee of reliability. Next goes to Bayer. Bayer is a life science company and a global leader in healthcare and nutrition. And the organization work became even more critical during the COVID-19 pandemic. To keep its employees safe and business production on track, the Bayer crisis management team need access to critical COVID information for the ASIN group. Using data marts in Power BI, the organization built a dashboard that delivers insight in real time, enabling better decision-making and enhancing cross-team collaboration for future crisis management needs. Walmart. Walmart is the world's leading retailer, which supporting over 10,000 stores and clubs and over 2 million associates worldwide. It's no surprise that Walmart has a vast amount of data to process. With trillions of transactions come challenges around data centralization, preparation, and consumption. The Walmart finance organization has chosen Microsoft Power BI to create an agile, scalable, and cost-effective reporting and analytics solutions. And there is much, much more others. Imagine a tool so powerful that it unites industry leaders across the globe in their quest for data-driven excellence. This tool is Power BI, and the evidence of its impact is clear. On our screen are icons of success: FedEx, Unilever, Siemens, EXA, Raiffeisen, and many, many more. Each logo here represents a story of transformation fueled by Power BI's capabilities. These companies, among others, share their journey with Microsoft Power BI, overcoming challenges, gaining insights, and achieving remarkable outcomes. For those curious to dive deeper into these success stories, I invite you to explore further. I'll provide you a link here, learn more, where you can access a wealth of case studies detailing their experience with Power BI. These narratives aren't just success stories, they are roadmaps to what's possible when the power of data is fully leveraged. And last but not least, so if you want to start learning Power BI, I've prepared a list of learning resources for you. First, it's Microsoft Learning, definitely, the official learning platform. Next, Udemy courses online. It's Microsoft Power BI desktop for business intelligence. So you can use also websites like SQL BI. It contains articles, tutorials, and training on Power BI and DAX. Next website, it's DAX Partners. Contains collection of ready-to-use data models and formulas in DAX. Power BI Tips, where you can find tutorials, layout templates, and best practices for Power BI. Last but not least, Microsoft Power BI Community, official forum for Power BI users to share, discuss, and ask questions. There will be all linked to the websites, and you can use it in future. In conclusion, Power BI is more than just a data analytics tool. It's a catalyst for change in how we understand and leverage data in the business world. Its intuitive design, combined with powerful capabilities, makes it a game changer in the data analytics world. So thank you for joining this journey today. I'm now open to any questions you have.